Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a look with the Danessa Myricks pastel palette. It is a first impression, and then I have two other lip products to test that I'm so curious about. So let's get into it. First of all, I bought this one. This is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and I was not that interested in it before, but then I saw that they released a matcha bubble tea, and I kinda like matcha. The best thing that I discovered with matcha is actually matcha pancakes, and with some white chocolate sauce. Try it and let me know. It is a squeeze tube applicator. It is the first time I'm trying this product, and let's see how it looks. I'm sure that it will not be that green, but I want just to hydrate my lips. So this is the look. Of course it's not very green, but it feels nice and hydrating. I'm gonna do some MAC paint pot just to prep the eyes. I have everything else on. I will of course list down below everything that I have on my face and all the products we will be using. And let me tell you, I bought this palette from Cult Beauty. It is a pretty expensive palette, but I never in my life saw a package more well wrapped and actually kinda ridiculous how much packaging there was. It was bubble wrapped, of course, in the Cult Beauty box, and then it was another box with some more bubble wrap, and then another white box, and in there I think it was a layer of like a papery type of thing, and then this, and it is magnetic and pretty strong. And in here it was the palette, and the palette as well came of course with something on top. It was very well wrapped, and I did swatch it. I'm gonna show you the close-up and everything. It looks absolutely stunning. So what I want to do today is actually put this one in the crease, and then one of these on the lid, and then these two, or at least the purple, because today I am gonna wear purple. This one on the lower lash, and this maybe in the inner corner. That's the plan. So let's start with the brownish shade. I am very happy that I've been trying more Danessa Myricks, because recently I purchased the balmy powder that is very matte, and I absolutely love it. And then I bought the blush, and I said in the review that this is my absolute favorite blush, but I've been falling more and more in love with it. So yeah, I'm using the Zoeva 234. So yeah, I really like Danessa Myricks so far. I think I had a bad experience at first with the Chroma Flakes. I really didn't like that product. As you may know, I've been loving neutrals a lot lately, so I am excited to play a bit with some color, even though I started with the brown because yeah, it is what it is. I will wear this whole look for the day. I'm actually going on a bit of a trip with some girlfriends. I am so excited. I'm gonna use the purple with the first brush. I cannot wait to put these shimmers on my eyes. I swatched them, they are incredible. So I'm gonna put this one on the lid. This one, because it is purple, will go perfectly with the purple underneath. So I'm gonna put it on the lower lash, and this in the inner corner. And I did spray the brush. Yes, I am using still the first brush. And these shimmers, I did swatch them. They are so flaky and like taupe shade. For the lower lash, I'm gonna use a Rephr number 3 and the purpley shimmer, and I'm gonna spray this one as well. This is a Wet n Wild setting spray. Usually I use a cheap setting spray just to wet a bit the brushes, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lash. I'm gonna clean a bit the Rephr brush, and we can use the gold shadow, and this is sparkly as well, and it will blend great into both of these because it has like a white champagne kind of shade, and then it goes into the gold. So this is the look. I want to add just some dimension with a pencil. This is the Sephora 12 hours retractable eyeliner in Shimmer Espresso, so it is a bit darker. I want to put this one on the lower lash and just on the tight line in here, just to add a bit more dimension. And then I actually bought a new mascara. The Lash Princess line is not new, but this shade, it's new from what I can tell. It is the shade Black Brown, so I'm really excited to test this as well. So this is the packaging with brown and pink. I feel like it looks absolutely lovely. And this is the brush. So this is the mascara with 2 coats. It looks a bit clumpy. I think I could get away with only 1 coat, but I really like the look. I do like the mascara, and the eyeshadow is absolutely stunning. The lips feel really nice after using this, so I will of course use it more and let you know. I did remove the excess though, and I applied a lip liner. I applied the lifter liner from Maybelline, and this is the shade 04 out of line, and I did apply out of line. So the last product that I want to test is this one. This is not a new product, but I saw that Lawless is available at Cult Beauty because I did order this palette from Cult Beauty. It came very fast and it was, like I said, very nicely wrapped. So I wanted, of course, to try the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. I really like lip plumpers, so I want to see. This is Rosy Outlook. That's the shade. So yeah, this applicator is so nice. So let's see how it looks. I really like the scent. I cannot describe it, but it's really nice. Somehow I feel like it's so little product in here because I just removed the stopper and it seems like almost halfway empty. How much is in here? So this is 3.3 milliliters and this is 10 grams. So that's that. It feels really nice. It is not painful. It's more like a fresh type of plump. I do like it. It's a bit sticky if I'm doing this. I don't know if you are able to see. It's not a big deal. I do like a thicker gloss, but because it is thicker, it will last longer on the lips, which is nice and it's not uncomfortable or something. So this is the final look. I really like the palette. I cannot wait to just use the green shade as well and the purple all over the crease. And I really like that this palette is magnetic and it's very compact, small. I feel like Danessa Myricks has the best of ideas, and this palette, it's so nicely done. You have only 6 shades and it's so versatile and so nice. You can create a million looks with this, I feel, because you can of course create a 2 shadow look with the rose, and of course you can just mix and match however you like. If you want to put this one on your crease and the purple on the lid, I'm pretty sure that it will look great because the undertones are absolutely lovely. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.